Me and my bitch took a little trip down to the garden. Took a little dip. Apple juice falling from her lips. Took a little sip on. Little sip. Took a little sip. Took a little sip. Took a little sip.
Bombast beat times bombast me, that's explosion. You niggas don't want heat, I repeat. You niggas don't want heat. It was snowing outside, but guess who brought heat? Man, I speak. Yo, listen to my speech. Ball out control, can you hear my sneaks? Kill beats, eyes closed, or maybe I peeked. Do it 24/7, kinda feeling weak. Kinda feeling weak, get it? Fuck these beats, then I regret it. Do it right one time, yo, no edit. Do it one take like a voicemail service. Sweating on this beat, but I'm not feeling nervous. I'm feeling like a church on a summer day service. Sweating on this beat, but I'm not feeling nervous. I'm hot, sometimes I have the sun feeling jealous. Hot fuckers other fellas, we are not all friends like the Gellers. Wrote our own novels, bestsellers.